Hi guys, I'm gonna do a video about three animals and their habitats. So first we have the dog. A dog needs fresh water, two meals a day of dog food, or it can be if they're on a diet, their diet that someone gives you, or the vet or something. And then they need a nice bed to sleep in, and they need to be healthy. Those are four things that they really need, or they could suffer. So another thing is, the next animal I'm doing is turtles. Turtles have, I'm doing it about water turtles. They have powerful flippers, and every turtle, if you're gonna have it as, I'm just gonna say actually as not a sea turtle or anything, a pet turtle. I have two pet turtles and three dogs. The two pet turtles, Franklin and Pirate, and so they sorry, that's brother. I have.
Not.
It is. Sorry. I have.
Yes, it
Sorry. I have, and then they need a light for the dog. I mean, for the dogs, I've told you already. But they need for pets, two light lamps. There are certain ones and with certain bulbs, and then they have the what's it called? The basking lamp. The basking lamp heats the water and also helps them when they're basking. It's just like when real turtles bask in the desert and stuff. I have a Mississippi map turtle and a red-eared slider, and they're best friends. And my dogs, they just all, I have two Bernese Mountain Dogs, and one Great Dane Pointer. So yeah. And another thing is, well, the next thing is, oh yeah, and turtles, they need rocks. If it's going to be rocks, big rocks, sand and little rocks on the bottom, it just makes it harder to clean. It just looks better. But yeah, and plants, they like to climb on plants and stuff if they're not too heavy. Both my turtles are about the size of tunies. But, well, one's a little bit bigger than a toonie, but Pirate's like the size of a toonie. And, them Franklin, he's a little, like, just little.
He's little, yeah.
He's that big.
Yeah, he's little.
So, the next thing.
Yeah, he's little.
We gotta feed the turtle too, and, it drinks from its tank. And clean it about 2 times a week if you have a filter. And, yeah. So, the next one is a shark. You can have it as a pet,
no, you
but
can't. No, you can't.
It's hard. They're probably a lot of money. They're just mini ones. You have to get a mini shark, because if you got a big one, they will be way too big. You can't really get one. So, yeah, there's mini sharks. You can get them at some pet stores. Most you can't, but specialist pet stores that carry them. They need probably fish they eat, but I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure like just food, normal food. I'm not sure about that yet, but yeah. And then they need, of course, a clean tank and a filter. I'm pretty sure about. And they need, well, water they can already drink because they're in the water. A full tank, just like fish. They don't go on land like turtles and dogs. Just stay, yeah. And turtles usually stay on in the water, but sometimes they like to go on land. But yeah, so I have two big rocks in mine. I have a 10-gallon tank. So
She's like, oh, hey,
so I have. So yeah, that's basically all. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye.